Before spraying anything, you want to make sure you wipe down the table to get rid of any dust or any crumbs. I'm going to spray paint my dining room table set this color, and then areas of it will have this contact paper marble on it. You want to make sure you apply at minimum 2 layers of paint. Here is just one. It's giving off more of a white color. I do want more of a deeper pink, so I will be applying a second layer. I do recommend that you be more diligent in how you are applying the paint. I did end up having to use 4 cans, and that is mainly because I would just spray anywhere and however I wanted to. You want to go in with a plan so you won't use so much and have to buy an extra can. Putting this on that, and that, and that. A quick and easy way to apply contact paper is taking the first inch or 2, line it up with the area you are covering, and as you pull the back slip away, you'll use your squeegee or credit card to flatten out the surface. That way you can have even coverage and avoid air bubbles. This area is small, so it was pretty easy to cover. However, if you are covering a larger area, I do suggest that you have someone help you, and that way you can for sure avoid any air bubbles.